from the JD. Today we are sharing the new airdrop which is called Blump crypto bot, where you can join from now the this airdrop, and this is probably listing on September of quarter 3. In this will be the best coming airdrop. After that, you can join those airdrop by joining our telegram channel, and you can also join our discussion group. The links are description below. Just click the link on given telegram, and you can here you can find the farming button, start farming button here, and you can play from here. And currently I have 15,566 Blump tokens, so you can also earn like that. And the tax section, you can just clicking the tax, and you can claim all the coins, all the Blump points. And there is a friends section. You can also invite your friends and claim them, and you can earn more from the sharing your friend. And there is a wallet section. You can connect your Tone wallet. You know how to create a Telegram Tone wallet, or you can also Tone Keeper wallet. This was for today video. You can join our Telegram group and enjoy the airdrop, and you can become a millionaire. I have already earned $300-400 from the airdrop, like Notcoin. And